Vowel sounds. So what are the vowel sounds? All those sounds when producing, there is no obstruction, blockage in the air passageway. वो तमाम साउंड्स जिनको ब्लॉक करते हुए, जिनको प्रोनाउंस करते हुए कोई भी जो है एयर पैसेज वे में हमारे ब्लॉकेज नहीं होती, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? तो हम कहते हैं ये वाउल साउंड है. So for example, we have high, mid and low vowels, and then we have front, central and back vowels. और हाई हमारे पास कौन सा है? फ्रंट वाउल वो हैं that we produce with our lips, with from our front of the mouth, and back that we produce with our back of the tongue, बिल्कुल गले के पास जो हम करते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं. So the sound is E. मेरे साथ आप इसको रिवाइज करेंगे. High front vowel, that is E, as in bead, beef, he, me. So high front vowel. Then we have next sound, that is also a front vowel. For example, it will be a little short, as in bid, myth, woman. This will be, now we have a comparison of both, that is bead, that is bid, that is beef, that is myth, that is he, that is woman. So we have this. Then our next sound is a sound, and that is a mid front vowel, as in bad, dead and said. Then we have our low front vowel, low front vowel. याद रखिएगा ये हाई, मिड और लो जो है ये टंग है उसकी पोजीशन है. So low sound, that is a, that is a. I will comparison all the sounds, compare them. E, e, a, and a, then a. So bad, rap, laugh, ये तीनों. अब मैं तीनों को पढ़ूंगा. E, bead, e, bid, a, bad, a, bad. So these are your front, high, mid and low vowels. Now we have our central vowels. Central vowels are produced at the center of the tongue. So the sound is a, mid a, above, oven, support, and the sound is a, as in cup, butt, blood, dove, and duck, a, right? So next sound we have back of the tongue. So the first sound is oo. This sound is oo, as in boo, as in move, as in to, you. Then this sound, that is a little short version of that front sound, that is o. Or for example, booked, could, put, right? So the next R sound is, that is o, as in born, caught, fall, and raw. So the comparison is oo, oo, and o. Then we have a sound, bob, caught, and swan, that is o. Oo, oo, o, and a sound. So these are the front, central, and the back vowels. When we talk about these lines, so these lines are this one line that we will speak when our tongue will be a little high, and this area it will be when we have our this red one. This is when we talk with our front, but our tongue will be high, as in E. When we pronounce E, our tongue will be close to our palate. but that will be produced from our front. And when we talk about back, that will be from the back of that blue one will be the back of the sound. That is oo sound, oo. When we say oo, when we say oo, so that is also from the back of the tongue, but the tongue's position is front, as in book or boo, as in boo sound, as in boo, right? As in oo. Then we have mid one. Next we have the mid sounds. This one, our tongue will be in the middle. It will be not lower to your lower teeth, and it will not with your palate. आपके बिल्कुल तालू के साथ भी नहीं होगा ये. So how will we produce it? So front mid vowel, that is a, that is a, as in bad, bad, and sad. So now our next one is our low sound, low and low front. So that is a. For example, as in bad, as in laugh, and as in rap. And the back one is o, as in bob, cod, swan. Now we will talk about our mid back sound, that is o, that is o, as in born, caught, and fall. Then we have our low back sound, that is bob, caught, swan. अब आपने जब ये बैक देखा तो आपने ये बिल्कुल देखा कि आप बिल्कुल अपने गले की निचली साइड से ये जो है आप प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे. So these were the vowel sounds, and that is how they are produced. There are three mid, high, and low vowels with respect to your tongue, and then front, central, and back. So we classify them with respect to their position. So when we talk about this sound, what we will say? We will say that is a mid front vowel. When we talk about that sound, we will say that is a low back sound. And when we talk about this, what we will say? We will say that that is a high back vowel. Oo, as in e, and a. Then oo, then o, and a. Right? Bob. So that is it. If you have any question, you may type and you can ask it. I hope आपको समझ आ गया होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.